Drinking alcohol, health boost or health risk? A large number of studies have shown that moderate alcohol intake can lower the risk of cardiovascular disease in men and women. Moderate drinking means 1 drink per day for women and 1 to 2 for men, says Donald Novi, MD, an integrative medicine physician with the Advocate Medical Group in Park Ridge, Ill. According to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, 1 drink is equal to 12 ounces of beer or 5 ounces of wine or 1.5 ounces of spirits, hard liquor such as gin or whiskey, 80 proof. The dangers of drinking too much. Unfortunately, some people can't stop at just 1 or 2 drinks. Too much alcohol can result in serious health consequences. Heavy alcohol intake can damage the liver, causing cirrhosis, a fatal disease. Excessive drinking also can raise blood pressure and damage the heart, and is linked to many different cancers, including mouth, esophagus, breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers. The health risks are even greater for those who not only drink but smoke as well. The consequences of excessive drinking can be serious not only for the alcoholic, but also for their friends, family, and even innocent bystanders. According to the National Institute of Alcohol Abuse and Alcoholism, more than 16,000 people die each year in automobile accidents that involve drunken drivers. Other data indicates that 1 in 3 violent crimes involves the use of alcohol, and as many as 3 out of 4 violent incidents against a spouse involve alcohol. Alcohol is a depressant. It makes people sad over time, not happy, Novi says. When depressed, people can do some rather unfortunate things to themselves and their loved ones. Signs of alcohol abuse. How can you tell if you or someone you know might have a drinking problem? Physicians often use the Cage test, which involves 4 simple questions, Novi says. Cutting down. Annoyance by criticism. Guilty feeling. Eye-openers. Other signs of a drinking problem. You find you can't stop drinking once you start. You're having problems at work or at school. Other people notice you're drinking and comment on it. You can't remember what you did when you were drinking alcohol. Moderation rules. Consuming no more than 1 drink a day for women and no more than 2 drinks for men is safe, and perhaps even heart healthy. On the other hand, excessive drinking can have serious consequences. If you think you may have a drinking problem or suspect that someone you love does, seek professional help. Contact your family physician or a support group for substance abuse before irreparable damage is done.